Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some honey garlic shrimps. So if you love shrimps like I do, this is one for you to try. It's so easy to put together and you absolutely don't need more than 20 minutes to do it. Come along, let's get cooking. We are going to start by preparing a really good marinade or sauce for our shrimps, and we start with some honey. Then in the same bowl, I'll be going in with some minced garlic and some ginger paste or minced ginger. I'll also add a few drops of sesame oil, some light soy sauce and some dark soy sauce. And I actually don't add any salt in this recipe because the dark soy sauce tends to be a bit salty on its own, and you know, shrimp and fish takes to salt really easily, so I'm just going to cook it without any salt. Now I'm going to add my shrimps in there and make sure I mix it well with that sauce or marinade, and I'm going to cover it up and let it sit for between 5 and 10 minutes. You don't need a lot of time, just 5 or 10 minutes to marinate whilst I heat up my saucepan and get ready to get this cooking. So for this recipe today, I'm using olive oil, and you don't need too much oil, just a little bit will go a long way. So I heat up my saucepan, and at this point I'll be adding my shrimps, and I make sure I don't overcrowd the shrimps in the saucepan because you want this to cook really nicely and evenly. After arranging all my shrimps in my saucepan, I usually cover it with a lid, and this is to trap the steam in there, and then that steam would in turn make the shrimps cook nicely. And I give that about 3 minutes, and I go right back in and turn the shrimps on the other side so that that side can also cook as well. And now we haven't forgotten about the marinade we use for the shrimps, have we? At this point, we are going to go in with that rich, delicious sauce, and that's going to serve as a really nice sauce for anything you want to pair the honey garlic shrimps with. And I also go in with some pepper flakes because I like it a bit spicy and on the hot side. And I'll also be adding some parsley flakes. I'll also go in with some scallions, and that is pretty much it. And all we need at this point is just another 3 minutes, and we will be done cooking this honey garlic shrimps. That's so good and smells so amazing at this point. I'm going to go ahead and garnish with some more spring onions, and you can do same if you want to, or you can just go ahead and eat it as it is. I'm going to serve this up with some rice today, and I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my lunch. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you try this super quick recipe, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss videos I post in the future, and don't forget to like and share this video to your friends and family. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.